Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Jasmy. We are going to see when are we going to go even higher. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, spam scripts, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to Jasmy. So what we have right here is probably, I'm not saying for sure, right? Because we might be losing the bottom trend line, but maybe a bull flag as we've talked about in the previous updates. For now, we are going to correct even more, maybe towards a 0.025. But as you can see, what are we finding right here is that we are following a strict lower high, lower low pattern after a very quick uptrend. Okay, this is normally for good. The market has to rest a little bit before we get even higher. So what is next right now for Jasmy? When do we know? And if we know, how can we go even higher, potentially above the 0.05? So we are going to see some important things. First of all, what I'm going to do is to draw the pitchfork. Okay, I'm going here to the pitchfork from this top to this, from this bottom, sorry, to the top back on 11 March and back to the bottom. Why I'm doing this? We are way ahead of the pitchfork. However, what we are doing is we are approaching the top trend line as a support level. So this is good, okay? This means that if we hold this line, then this will be good for Jasmy. Then this line is a very crucial line for the Jasmy coin, and therefore around where we are and a little bit beyond, maybe at the 0.025, will be a very strong support level that may take us even higher for now. And of course, what we want to do for Jasmy is to form this bull flag right here that has been forming down, and with the downside action, you can see that after an uptrend, and then we have another crazy pump over the 0.5 Tether USD. Okay, so right now, what do we have? We are having the 0.5 being our major actually resistance level break from 19 March. I feel like when we are going to do that, when we are going to break, if we are going to break from a bull flag, will be around the 17 April, around there to 25. Okay, around there could be the case that Jasmy would just pump up. You can see that we are closing the lower highs, the higher lows right here, the lower highs, the lower lows, sorry, and we are just tending to get them a little bit squeezing around this area right here where we talked about these dates. Maybe on late April we will see that. So I would say either on 17 to 25 or 25 to 30, okay, around this area we will be just going even higher for Jasmy, and we are going to break the top trend line, and we are going to move even higher. What can we say though on the daily frame? Can we say that we are bullish right now? Not at all. Okay, we do not have any risk metrics that can provide us this information. However, I can provide you some targets right now, very important targets for Jasmy. And what we need to do right now is, of course, to close above the first line on the daily frame, which means on the midterm, for 0.0304. Okay, we need to close above the 0.0304. It is the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement line, and also a very important line after a correction for the crypto market. So closing above this line will get us to the next price targets, which will be the 0.0335 and the 0.0361, around there. Okay, so therefore we need to go even higher. If we want to go even higher though, for the short midterm, then we have to break the 0.0304. On the other hand, on the 4-hour frame, we do not have what it takes yet in order to say that we are currently very bullish enough and we can go all the way higher. We have to move above the 20-day and the 50-day MA, as they have become our major resistance levels for now. We are on a downtrend, you can see, with a lower low, lower high pattern, and therefore we need to be extremely careful. Okay, we can even pump up, we can even go to the next targets, but we have to be extremely careful. As you know, we might find ourselves into a situation where if you buy right now, Jasmy, then you might not exit, because we might not pump during April. As I told you back then, the dates are totally biased. I am just calling these dates. It doesn't mean that it will happen. I might be wrong. Okay, especially with the dates, it is very hard to predict the when. As I'm into trading, I try to predict it more and more, but trust me how hard it is to predict the when. Okay, but anyway, I feel like these dates, especially due to the late April, we will be having probably a nice pump for Jasmy. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto, and of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.